Now let's start the build. So before starting the build, how do we know what are all the steps to be followed? I was telling you, we need to implement some or we need to enhance some API structures, all those things. But how do we know which API structures to be enhanced and which data model entity to be enhanced or which general component or what are the other details that we need to enhance or implement? So for that, SAP had given the required documentation. You just go to the SAP MDG community forum. Okay, go inside this. Here you see how to information. Now you just check for the relevant master data. We are in the classic mode, not cloud mode. Okay, so just see extend MDG BP. Here you will see the document. See, if you want to add by new fields, this is the guide. And if you want to add a new field in the reuse entity, this is the guide. Okay, if you want to add a new entity type, this is the guide. Extend MDG business partner node, nothing but the custom entity in reuse solution. Remaining are different things. If anyone would like to explore for the customer vendor integration, SAP had given this document. It's a very detailed document, especially required for the functionals. Technical also you can explore, but that is a lengthy document. It's around 104 pages are there. It's a general S4HANA concept only, not specific to MDG. So if you want to get a detailed understanding of customer vendor integration, you can go through this. This is also one of the important interview questions, especially for the functionals about the CVA integration. You can refer to this document. Always go to the community forum and get the latest document. They keep updating this blog with all the current versions. So few were not updated since long way, because if SAP don't see any enhancement required in the document, they don't update. Otherwise, you can get the latest documents from here. Now, this is the extensibility guide for business partner with the custom reuse entity type. Now, you see, when they updated this in 2023, maybe since then, they don't see any further enhancement required in the document. So that's why they're just keeping it as is. So you can download this document and refer to that. That's it. Okay, this document we can refer. So here they have mentioned all the steps required to enhance the BP with the custom reuse entity. Okay, step by step. They might have taken different example. Maybe everything is may not be required. They have given some overview of different master data. So I told you, right, handler class is required only for the business partner. So there is a separate document for creating the handler class. See, it was updated in the 2025 latest one. You can download this one also. So likewise, if you want to get the overview of the business partner, customer, supplier, you can get that from here also. MDG business partner overview extension. It was released in 2023. If you want to enhance the feeder class, this is for the technical. So there is a document. Likewise, mostly SAP had given all the detailed documents. Now, they are considering this scenario: company code, supplier governance. Okay, maybe they want to extend the company code data with some entity called secret numbers, something randomly they have taken. So this is the list UAVB they are enhancing. Okay, in our case it would be a form UAVB, because we want to maintain only one branch code for every customer or supplier. Okay, usually there will be one branch code. So that's about how you can identify the relevant guide. And I'm again saying, all the time you may not find exact 100% steps to be followed in this guide. Okay, this is just a guidance. Accordingly, you need to utilize it for your requirement. Keep that in mind. Now we are going to see also how we can enhance for our requirement, because the guide whatever they mention and the requirement what we are going to implement is exactly not same. Here they are using the list and we are using the form, but we'll be following the steps at this level. Okay, high level we follow this guide and accordingly we just adjust based on our requirement. Now let's start the build step by step.